Hello friends, welcome to Code in Java. Today we are going to write a program to swap two number. Swap two number means like suppose you have a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So you have to swap this value from a to b. Like so after the swap answer will be a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So let's come to the coding how we will write the code to swap these two number. So the basic solution is here. We can take third variable c and we can keep value of a or b anything in the c, and then after swapping the value of a and b we will again assign the value of c in the other variable. So this is the basic solution. So first I will write the solution, and then after that I will discuss about the other solution which interviewer will expect from the fresher guy. So come to the coding. So here we will write class swap class we will create here first, and swap to and here we will do quickly public static void main. This is the basic, so we have to do it for, and now okay, so we have int a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So if we will print it now, which value of like this, value a is equal to, print it like a here, and in the same way we keep value b, b. So here we will see like if we'll execute here we will get 10 is equal to a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So what we have to do, we have to swap it so that we will get reverse value of a is equal to 10 and value of b is equal to 20. So now we have to write a logic so that it will print a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So the simple way what I discussed, we can take a third variable, suppose c. We will keep a value of a into c. So now c is equal to, now what we will do, now we will assign a is equal to b. So here now a is equal to, it will be 20 now. Okay, so and again we will assign b is equal to c now, as we kept value of a into c. So this is the basic solution. Here now b is equal to 10. So we can execute and we can see how it is, printing the value. So you can see it here now. In the second line you will see after swapping a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So this is the one basic solution. So we will discuss about the other solution. Like suppose interviewer will ask you without third, here we use third variable as a c. So without using third variable you have to swap third variable. So here is the trick. We can achieve this by just, we can do one thing. Suppose what we can do, we can take a is equal to a plus, what will be the value here, a value will be now 30. Okay, so what we will do now, here we will do b is equal to a, which is 30 now, minus b. So now b will be 30 minus 20. B is 20 here. So what will be the value? 10. B is equal to 10. Now we will assign a is equal to a minus b. So a is there 30, and 30 minus 10 will be 20. So this is the simple way. You just have to use this logic to get your work will be done. So we can execute this code and we will see how it is printing. So you can see here the first line, it is we are printing a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and after, without using the third variable. Here we are not using any extra variable, so we are just changing. We are first adding a plus b, so it is becoming 30. Now what we are doing, we are subtracting from the a to b, so we are getting 10. So this is the question which interviewer will get in all the interview, fresher will get. Mostly they will ask this question. This is the basic question, so just practice it and go for the interview. And thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel for more updates. I will come with all the solution, coding and core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, everything, all the materials related to interview I will come. So please subscribe the channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.